The goal of the computer science field of artificial intelligence, or AI, is to develop computers that can simulate human intelligence. However, how does AI accomplish this amazing feat? Data is the foundation of AI. Large volumes of data are first gathered by AI systems from a variety of sources, including sensors, databases, the internet, and more. The basis for AI's learning process is this data. After being gathered, the data is processed. This entails preparing the data in an analysis-ready format and cleaning it to remove mistakes or inconsistencies. Consider it as getting ready the ingredients for a meal before cooking it. The magic is about to happen: machine learning. During this stage, AI algorithms are taught to see patterns in the data they are given and forecast the future. It's comparable to teaching a toddler how to identify colors or shapes. The AI system creates a model, a representation of the relationships and patterns it has discovered from the data, after training. This model serves as the AI system's brain, directing its judgment calls and forecasts. But that doesn't mean the story ends there. AI functions through a feedback loop. The results are assessed when it generates predictions based on fresh data. Over time, the model becomes smarter and more accurate thanks to the feedback provided. After training and validation, the AI model may be put into use. It is used in real-world applications to carry out its intended function, such as facial recognition, language translation, and autonomous vehicle operation. However, the adventure is not over yet. AI systems are always being refined to increase accuracy, speed, and efficiency. It's comparable to perfecting the melody on an instrument like a musical instrument.